Welcome to watch today's fresh home. This home serves as a peaceful sanctuary in the Czech Republic. Looking for a home to renovate outside of Prague, architect Jan Žaloudek and his wife, Jolanta Trojak, an art historian and writer, stumbled upon an exceptional plot of land where they could build one instead. The culturally protected parcel, located in Kamena Lhoda, Czech Republic, a tiny village about an hour's drive southeast of the city, was once the garden of the neighboring Baroque chateau, where famed violinist Oscar Nedbal composed his operetta Polska Krev in 1913. They immediately fell in love with the site. We were captivated by the centuries-old trees, the crumbling stone border wall, the countryside views, and the favorable orientation, Žaloudek recalls.